Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we have something truly special for all classic car lovers and Mustang enthusiasts. We're taking an in-depth look at the legendary 1964 Ford Mustang, the car that started an era and defined what a pony car is. And yes, we have it here in this stunning white finish that just radiates elegance and classic American muscle vibes. Stick around because we're diving deep into every detail, from the exterior styling, interior charm, and performance to what this classic gem costs today. Let's get started. Exterior. Looking at the 1964 Mustang, you immediately notice its timeless design. Even after more than half a century, the lines, proportions, and details still catch your eye. This is the first-generation Mustang, introduced in April 1964, and it set the blueprint for every Mustang that came after it. The white paint on this particular model gives it a clean, crisp look that highlights its subtle curves and aggressive stance. From the front, the iconic long hood and short deck proportions make it unmistakable. The Mustang's front grille features the legendary running horse emblem, framed by chrome accents that shine beautifully in the sunlight. Dual headlights sit elegantly at the corners, giving the car a wide, commanding presence. Notice how the hood has that subtle, but purposeful, scoop, not only stylistic but adding to its sporty personality. Moving to the side, the character lines run gracefully from front to back, accentuating its muscular yet refined stance. The chrome trim along the windows and the Mustang badge near the front fender are subtle details that scream classic 60s American styling. And the wheels, while smaller by modern standards, complement the car perfectly, balancing period authenticity with performance appeal. The rear end is just as iconic, with the tri-bar taillights, dual exhausts, and the classic Mustang emblem embedded into the fuel cap area. Every angle of this car exudes charm and confidence, and that's why it remains a symbol of American automotive history. Interior. Step inside, and you're instantly transported back to the 1960s. The white Mustang exterior is complemented by a black vinyl interior here, though many color combinations were available back then. The cabin is surprisingly roomy for a compact sports car, and the materials, though simple, feel purposeful and durable. The dashboard is a driver-focused layout with clear, round gauges providing speed, fuel, temperature, and other essential readings. The steering wheel is large, thin, and classic, giving you a real connection to the car. You'll also notice that while modern cars are full of electronics, the 1964 Mustang keeps it simple. All switches are tactile, the shifter is mechanical, and the pedals are perfectly spaced for an engaging driving experience. Seats are well cushioned and comfortable, perfect for cruising around town or hitting a scenic highway. Though it lacks modern luxuries like air conditioning or infotainment systems, there's something charming about the analog simplicity of this interior. Every surface, from the door panels to the dashboard trim, is clean and well designed, and you can feel the craftsmanship that went into building a car that was meant to appeal to everyday drivers and enthusiasts alike. Performance. Now let's talk about performance because this is where the Mustang truly made its mark. The 1964 Mustang came with several engine options. The base model had a 170 cubic inch inline-six producing around 101 horsepower, enough for a smooth, casual drive. For those wanting more excitement, the V8 options ranged from 260 to 289 cubic inches, with the higher performance, hyper, versions producing up to 271 horsepower. This particular Mustang is equipped with the 289 V8, which is perfect for a classic driving experience. Turn the key, and the engine roars to life with a satisfying rumble. The transmission can be either a 3-speed manual, 4-speed manual, or a 2-speed automatic, and each one offers a different character to the drive. On the road, the Mustang feels agile for its size, with light steering and a chassis that encourages fun. Cornering is not at modern sports car levels, but it has a playful balance that rewards careful, spirited driving. Acceleration is modest by today's standards, but that's part of the charm. You're not just driving a car, you're experiencing a piece of automotive history. The exhaust note, the throttle response, and the mechanical feel of the brakes and clutch all combine to create a pure, visceral driving experience that modern cars can rarely replicate. Pricing and market value. Now, for those wondering what a classic 1964 Mustang costs today, the numbers can vary widely based on condition, originality, and specifications. A standard, well-preserved 1964 Mustang can fetch anywhere from $25,000 to $40,000. Models with rare options or the highly sought-after V8 engines can easily reach $60,000 to $100,000, and fully restored or historically significant models can go even higher at auctions. It's important to remember that owning a classic Mustang is not just about driving, it's about collecting, preserving, and enjoying a piece of automotive culture. Maintenance can be straightforward, thanks to the abundance of parts available, but finding a truly original car in excellent condition is increasingly rare, which adds to the value. So, what makes the 1964 Ford Mustang so special? It's more than just a car, it's an icon. It represents the birth of the pony car era, a combination of performance, style, and affordability that appealed to a wide audience. The design is timeless, the driving experience is engaging, and owning one connects you to a golden era of American automotive history. Whether you're cruising down a sun-drenched boulevard, showing it off at a classic car meet, or just enjoying the nostalgia of its design and mechanical simplicity, the 1964 Mustang is a car that never loses its charm. White, red, blue, or any color in between, there's something magical about this car that transcends generations. If you love classic cars, American muscle, or simply appreciate beautiful automotive design, the 1964 Ford Mustang is a must-have on your radar. It's a car that defines an era, tells a story, and continues to inspire enthusiasts around the world. That wraps up our in-depth look at the 1964 Ford Mustang in white. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment your thoughts, and subscribe for more classic car reviews. Hit that bell icon so you never miss an upload. And if you happen to own a Mustang yourself, we'd love to hear your stories, share them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video, where we'll continue exploring more automotive legends and classics that shaped the car culture we know today.